Hello, everybody. Good evening. I hope you guys could hear me. Let me double check the mic, and we should be okay. Let me know in the comments below if you guys could hear me. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I'm so happy and glad that I'm back. I didn't stream for a couple days, but that doesn't mean I wasn't working. So there's a lot of new Spark shipment that has been done. I'm gonna share them all with you. I'm just gonna wait for a couple more minutes to get more people in. And if you are guys on Twitter or YouTube, whatever platform you're on, please share, like, comment. Let's get more people in here. All right, just give me a minute, guys. Peter in the house. We can hear you. You are not on mute. Yes, I'm not. How are you today, Peter? I hope you are warm enough. I know it's pretty cold out there. We had like I don't know, 5, 10 inches of snow. My camera is so zoomed in. I have to figure that out. Hey, bud. Okay. So I changed a few things on Spark. One of the main things when you remember sometimes when you move your hands, he moves right away with it. Right, he goes to the spot. First, it was following the hand all the time, and then when I put it as tab, now it actually it was so responsive and it tapped really quick as soon as I move my hand. Now I switch it to like you hold your hand and there's a loading. If you notice, like you hold loading and then you come in. So like move here. You wait for a second or two. You're not moving, and he'll move there. Wait here. Here we go. Uh, Peter said, if I were any better, people would start calling me Spark. All right, Spark. You're cool. All right, so that's one of the things that has been done on Spark. So it's easier to do right here. And if you notice, there's a little bit more cleanup. We used to have a lot of games, especially right now. I added like 3, 4 activities. It's not games, it's activities. I'm going to train myself to keep saying that. Um, oh, yeah, he's breathing now. And I was hoping to get him animated to speak today, but it's not. But give me a couple more days. He's gonna have no what do you call it? See, I didn't like the nails in there, so we're with the pause, but we'll changing that, so it's gonna look similar to the first version that we did. But he's breathing and he's gonna be talking, and when he listen, um, you'll notice there's 3 kind of activities right now. Animation: 1 when he's excitement, 2 is this one while he's breathing, 3rd is listening. And so as soon as I turn the mic on, he's gonna get the excitement movement, which is this one.
I'm listening. Tell me what you want to play.
And now he should be
Woohoo!
listening.
Let's go.
If I'm saying something, he should be listening. If he's thinking, he's gonna be listening right now. So what's how are you today, Spark?
Hey there.
How are you today, Spark? That's the one.
Hi, Noah. I'm super duper happy today. Want to play a fun game with me, Noah? We could pretend to be animals or play hide and seek.
Very soon, very soon. Let me pause his. I was hoping actually to open the doors today, but I just
Okay,
need a
Noah.
couple more
I'll
days
wait right here for you, glowing and
for
ready
the
to play
people on the
whenever you
waiting
come
list.
back.
Because we really, to be honest with you, we really need more social proofs. We need people using it. I do have a couple kids using it, but it's not enough. We need a lot more. The landing page should have them. Uh, you guys, as soon as I give it to you, I'm sure that you're gonna, have friends, families, kids. Um, the more you record, the more social proof we have. So yeah, those. This is the one thing that we added today. We also added, there's. I've been coding this. I'm always using my mouse to go to the Let's Play, but how would the kids play with no mouse, right? If they're playing on the iPad, is playing on the phone. So again, they have to move their hand, and then when they go to the button, you see it's loading, and then it will open, and then we'll choose which one we want to go. Let's say right now we have no more games. Let's say I want to go to the colors. Now we have the colors. All right, that's the color game. I still didn't do the voiceover. So Spark is not. Let me see if Spark. I think because
I'm listening. Tell me what you
um,
want to play.
all right. So colors is it's very simple. 1 to 2 years old, they're gonna do that. As soon as they move their hand,
I'm ready and waiting, Noah. I'll be
so
here glowing bright until you're ready to
Spark
play.
is not very encouraging on this game. I'm gonna edit it, but for now, I was focusing
Yay,
on
hi.
the way it works.
Oh, wow, Noah. Tell me more. How does it work?
Uh, you just put your finger and voila, and it will. It's like a magnet. So your index looks like a magnet. Noah played with it today, and he was right away. I didn't tell him what to do. So that's my main thing. What I want it to do. I want just let the game start for the kids and see if they figured it out by themselves. Which is they're usually very smart. They get it right away. So yeah, those are this is the number game. It's not ready, which is it will figure out what number you have on your hand. So it should be 4, 3, 2, 1. So here Spark is gonna say, "Hey, what? Show me number one. How much can you with your hands show me number two?" So we'll do 2, 3, 5. But right now it's not taking 6 or 7 or any of those. But this is still under progress. But it's it's uh
Hi, friend. Noah.
it's it's going. And let me see. Let me show you guys what else we have.
Yay, Noah. That sounds like a fun number game. I can't wait to play with you when it's
So
ready.
all the other games, I still have to tweak them, but I'll show you what we have so far. So we did. I think I fixed
Let's play.
the balloon.
Balloon time. This is
The balloon games. I did an
orange
update for
balloons
it.
only. Let the
I
others
made it
go.
more fun. He tells you what balloons. What do you want him to do? He said only orange balloons. Oh,
Pop the
that
hearts.
changed.
They're so sparkly.
All right, so that changed because we changed. Okay, I'll gotta get that. Get back to
Woohoo,
this.
Noah. I'm rainbow, round, pop everything.
Okay. Now, what I used to do, but right now because I switched the button for when you hold it, it's there's a wait time. Um, so I messed up the balloon game. So that's the easy fix. I could fix it right now. But I'm just gonna focus on the things that we already did right now, and then I'll vibe code.
Hey,
So
Noah. Let's pop some balloons.
all right,
Only
let's
diamonds this time.
see.
You got this.
We got the finger count animals. This is going to be the animal. It's still work in progress as well. It's going to say which animal makes this sound, and he's going to make that sound, or it's going to be play on, like the real sheep or the real chicken or whatever. So, and right now says sheep, and then it will go to the sheep one. So that's one of the games still. I mean, one of the activities that we're working on. Uh,
Let's play, Noah.
yes, we can make the shape bigger. Is that for the balloons game? We can make definitely the shapes bigger.
Hey,
Um,
Noah. Balloon time. This is gonna find the red ones.
and
Quick!
then we go to this is the shapes as well. So he's gonna uh it's gonna be basically going around and do the shapes, teaching the kids the shape. This is usually for a 2 years old. And what else we have? Sign language. I'm so excited
Hi,
about it.
Noah. Yay,
So
Noah!
the
What other fun
sign
activities do you want to show me? I can't
sign
wait to
language is
see
gonna
what else we
teach
can do together.
the first module or the first activity. It will be teaching them how to say their name. That's it. So it's not gonna be uh, it's not gonna be anything else right now, but at least their name, right? And then it will be the ABCs basically, hopefully. But right now, it's still work in progress again.
You're doing it.
It
Stay still. Perfect. You
should
signed
be
N.
right now. It's not
You're doing
recognizing.
it. Stay still. You're on the right track. Great. Almost
So
there.
you get the point. It's gonna be real
Perfect.
pictures
Don't
here
move.
on the left side, and then it
Wonderful.
will
You signed
teach
A.
the
Getting close.
language,
Almost there.
the sign
Perfect.
language here.
You're on the right track.
So it's a little bit
Almost there. You got.
it's a little bit
You're
buggy
on the
right
right.
now.
You did it. You can sign your name. You can sign Noah.
So, but it's a little bit buggy. I'm gonna be working on it, on fixing it as well. So,
Getting close. Right. Let's spell Noah.
but
First
yeah,
letter is
tell me,
N.
guys, what do you
Tuck
think?
your thumb under two
Those
fingers.
are the changes. Um, I'm gonna right
I'm listening.
now
Tell me
while
what you
we're
want to
live.
play.
I'm gonna fix as much things as I can. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'll be here. But
Hi, friend.
tell
Noah.
me what you guys think.
Hello, Noah.
Oh, I did change that.
Woohoo, Noah! You did something awesome. What fun thing did you do? I love hearing about your adventures.
Hmm. Do you guys hear the music in the back? Because I have a different computer running in music. Do you guys? Do you hear Peter any music in the back?
Oh, Noah, I don't hate. Oh, wow, Noah. Do you hear music playing? That sounds so fun. Do you like to dance or sing along to music?
I like to dance.
Oh, wow. Yay, Noah. Dancing is the best. I love how you move and wiggle when you dance. What's your favorite way to dance?
Uh, I'm just gonna put a video as well. I'm exporting it right now.
Woohoo, Noah. Oh, cool, Noah. Are you
Bigger
doing
game
something
buttons,
special on your
also
computer?
buttons
That sounds very grown
should have
up. Do you want to
icons
tell me more
for
about it?
kids if they can't read yet. Bigger game buttons, also buttons should have icons for kids. Good, good catch. Yeah, yeah,
Hello.
definitely. The icons should be big ones. Yeah, this should be like triple the
Yay,
size. We'll
Noah.
fix that
You
right
have such
now.
great ideas. You're thinking about making things easier for
All right.
kids like you.
You
That's
need
super smart thinking, buddy.
to. Okay. So yeah, I hear the music, so it's okay. That's good. Unless you guys want some music, I could play. Okay, so let's first. The choose a game menu need to have emojis because kids don't know how to read. We still need the words, but it has to be 80/20. 80% is the visual, which is could be emoji or something related to the game. Also, the whole buttons, the whole window should be triple the size. um, so kids could see it and read it from a distance. And we're still keeping everything the same, but just a better UI for 2 to 4 years old to be able to digest and understand. Good. So now, yeah, it's very cold, right? It's crazy cold. What's the temperature now? I didn't even look at it, but I know it's in the minus now, should be. So I'm fixing right now the menu and let's see how it's going to be because Peter doesn't like it and we have to fix it. If Peter doesn't like it, we got to fix it. What the? -3. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, how do you like this, Peter? I like it. So it has
Hey Noah, let's pop some
a little
balloons.
bit bigger,
Find the yellow
more
ones. Quick.
colorful emojis to know what games they're playing. But I want to move the actual, yeah, but it show it's too fast. I'll fix that also. Yeah, balloons, letters, numbers. We got that. Yeah, and let me actually add. Let's see this. Where's the CapCut? I'll show you guys. Is it this one? Bonjour, comment ça va? No, no. Oh, we added the. I don't know if you guys know that we added the languages, and I'll play with the languages in a little bit. But I want you to see uh, Noah today playing. This is the shape game. I mean, he's on my desk, so it's kind of hard. It's not like an iPad or anything. It's kind of big right here. Good job, yeah. And then, yeah, this is
De rien, Noah. Tu es très poli. C'est formidable. Qu'est-ce qu'on va découvrir ensemble maintenant,
Spanish.
mon petit ami?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, amigo. Ah, Noah.
Spanish. ¿Cómo estás, amigo?
Yupi. Noah. Estoy súper bien y muy feliz de verte. ¿Cómo estás tú hoy, Noah?
Bien, bien. Ni hao,
Hey
ma.
there.
Chinese. Ni hao?
你好，Noah，我很好，谢谢你问。你今天过得怎么样呢？
Ni hao. Ni hao, ma?
我很好，这些 Noah，你今天想玩什么好玩的游戏吗？
مساء الخير.
يا هلا نوة، أنا سبارك وأنا متحمس جدا لألتقي بك. كيف
Arabic.
حالك اليوم يا نوة؟
أنا كتير 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 منيح. أنت كيفك؟
يا هلا نوة، أنا أعرف أن اسمك نوة وأنت عمرك 4 سنوات. هل تريد أن نلعب معا اليوم؟
I'm excited about this, but the challenge is to have right now he could speak all these languages, but for the MVP, the minimum valuable products right now, he can't be speaking the like understanding the games. We have to do something different, like each game to be interacting with the same language. That's going to be a little bit down the road, but for now they could just have a conversation with them, whatever languages they're in. So let me know in the comments if you think what next language we should put in there. um yeah, I'm gonna add them all soon, sooner or later. Let me put that video that I just put for Noah. I have other videos for kids using it, but I don't have family consent yet. So I'm trying to get their approval first, and I'll be sharing it with you guys. But very good first interactions. So they like it, they play with it, they want to talk to it, and that's the most important. And yeah, so the first impression, like if you when I guys open this and you guys use it, just try to, the first impression, I want to know how your kid, if you cannot record it, it's fine, but I want to know how they reacted to it, like, because I know it's going to sound something, they're going to like it, they're going to play with it, but how or where did they ask how to play with it? Did they figure it out by themselves? If they figured it out by themselves without asking any questions or without anybody showing them anything, that means it's a win. So it's a game that have it's attached already talk to them, right? It's already they'll figure it out. You know, not a game, but an activity that they already adapt to it right away. All right, I'm gonna put that post. Let me know, guys, if you have any suggestions, questions, comments, concerns. If you want to see anything Spark doing, or want to ask him any question, see how he react to it, let me know. Got it. Thank you guys for all the likes and the shares on X. You guys are awesome. Despite the coin is dipped, you guys are the real ones. You know, you know what's coming. You know uh, the future of this tool. You know, as soon as we hit the houses and as soon as we hit the mainstream media, that's when everything's gonna be better. For me, I'm focused on um, on the tool itself, on the dev itself, on the code and the business itself. I'm not just, not just a coder. I know how to build businesses, guys. I know how to get, uh, you know, profit for a business. I build SaaS programs, profitable SaaS programs, businesses, multiple businesses. So it's not just coding for me. It's just like it's a business. So, and of course, it's when you code and do something for family, it tastes different. It feels different. So that's why I'm doing it with a lot of passion. And I allocated all the other tasks, other business to other team members, and I'm focusing on this one to be able to get this up and running as soon as possible. I can't believe we've only been like less than 2 weeks into this, and I'm almost gonna open very soon. I'm gonna open the door for the first 100 testers to be able to test the tool, right? Test Spark, play with Spark. Um, there is some challenge on the API model that we're using right now. It's Sonnet, which is not cheap, but I want quality. I want quality AI. I don't want a dumb AI, right? Mm, If your kid want to talk to an AI, it should be a smart AI. And things are going fast. And I know it's going to get cheaper and cheaper, but for now, I want quality, and Sonnet gave me that quality. There's a lot of free models out there. There's a lot, um, but I wouldn't give you the safety one, number one, and the quality that Sonnet is giving me right now with this project. Okay, what else I'm gonna fix right now? This is the buggy one.
Here comes A. You've got this. Great job. Keep going. You did it. A is
Fix
time for B. Start at the green dot.
the numbers.
Hey, Noah.
Yeah.
Let's count together. Count 3 hearts with me. Try tapping one of the hearts. You're doing amazing. Amazing job. Let's find one balloon. Amazing job. Can you count 1 star?
Okay, the numbers game need to be much better. Let's first focus on the 2 to 4. Um, Right now, as an example, it's asking for um, buy me the three balloons, and as soon as the kid choose three balloons, it will say congratulations, you won basically. So that's not, teaching them numbers. I want a very very simple math, like um 1 plus 2 equal 3, things like that. Two balloons plus one balloon, how much equal? So let's focus um on the very basic math numbers, the 1 to 10, and make it fun and have Spark helping and motivating and making it fun without being annoying. So he doesn't have to say a lot, but just few motivation and helpful tips will be great. So now let's see the plan. I wish you guys see my. I have to figure out how to let you see my. The terminal. That's what I meant. The terminal. But I just want to see because I can't share two screens. I only could share only one. And I can't the entire screen. My screen is so wide. So if I share the entire screen, it's gonna be a lot. But we could show this. So right now I have it on the plan mode. So it's gonna plan the numbers again and then and fix it. Or give us a suggestion first before changing it. Hmm, we lost it. How about now? I'm gonna be back. You don't like to share the terminal? That's weird. Okay. We'll switch back to my. Still working. Yeah, that's taking too much time. 5 minutes is a long time in vibe coding. Did you guys hear about the new Claude bot? That's why I tried to set it up today with my old. I have an old iMac right here, but it's too old. It didn't work. I'm gonna set it up with a different one. So what it is basically, it's the future. Where it's the future. The future is here, guys. The future is here. So what it does, if you've never heard about it, what it does, it's Peter just told me, do we have any tabs open? No, like 54, not that much. So, but yeah, it's so cool. Claude bot. Uh, it's basically you install it
I'm
on. You could 1 second. Let me. Yeah. So install it on a device, local machine, or you could do it on a VPN, virtual machine. Um, and what it does, it's gonna control your machine, that machine, and you connect it to your WhatsApp or Telegram or any of those, even iMessages, and then you could control it from there. So you could be, hey, before you go to sleep, you're like, hey, I'm thinking about this project. I want you to build a prototype. I want you to build an MVP full A to Z that does this, and you go to sleep. Control your computer. It goes to go to the internet, do the research, do everything, and then start vibe coding. That's just one sample example of what you could do with it. But other than that, you could to hey, every morning check my emails, um, prepare them, check my social media calendar, uh, either post for me or give me the things to do. And it's like your 24/7 AI agent. But because it's on, it's in like in M1, everybody's talking about how, they're buying more mini Macs, the I don't know what they call them, that's the Mac Mac mini iMacs or yeah, so the mini Mac with Cloud, that's what everybody buying it like 500, but you still could use it, in a virtual machine. You don't have to buy one, but it will be nice. That's what I'm like, I have an old one sitting right here. Let me put that bot on it. But imagine this is like just 1 week. I'm sure people are working on right now different ones. Uh, it will be uh, your executive contractor, right? Like right sitting right next to you, whatever you need, they'll do it. Now we can do it through regular LLMs, but you still have to go back and forth with it to understand or finish the project. With this one, it's going to have a memory. It's going to have all this. it controls the computer. It have all the skills that you use in. It uses your style, your permission, your passwords, your usernames, because you set them up. Of course, there's a big security about it, because some people just give it access to everything, which is that's not cool. What I would do, it's a fresh environment and fresh install on a fresh um, machine, and set up an special email, set up the passwords for it, and then go from there. Don't share like your previous passwords and you're like, oh, I'm getting hacked. Of course you're gonna get hacked. So those are open source projects, and so easy to hack. But it's cool. Check it out, guys. It's Claude. Everybody's talking about it. Claude bot. Um, I set up one on my machine, um, but I don't want it. I want it to be on a VM. So tomorrow, hopefully, I'll get it up and running. Um, it's cool. Like, I was sitting having dinner, and I remember something, and I'm like, hey, can you write a draft email for this person and get it ready for me? Go check his email and let me know what suggestion I'll reply, because I remembered what I have as dinner. And this is I went after dinner, I looked at it and like, oh, that's a draft. And it actually read the thread, and it and then it gave a really good reply, and it wasn't like AI big reply. It was like something short. So yeah, check it out. So let's see the plan right here. Okay, so here's the plan. Transform the current counting selection game into a visual addition game teaching simple math: 1 plus 2, 3 equal 3, with numbers 1 to 10. Current problem: the existing game asks tap 3 balloons and ends when correct. It doesn't teach math, just object counting. New design, visual layout, score, apples, groups, number 2 group, how much the answer, that's good. Core changes, additional problems, show number 1 to 2, questions, cool, examples, uh, game start, let's add numbers, correct, yes, amazing, wrong, try again, okay, those are the reference files, and interaction, animation, object, and blah, 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 good. Approved. Let's see it. Let's see the change. It's gonna be 2 minutes. What did you say, Baba?
This is how it goes to sleep.
Where? Which one?
This.
This button?
Yeah, that's how it goes to sleep.
Look at Spark when we first started, guys.
To wake.
That was fun exploring the planets.
If you press it, why? How you get that out?
Oh, wow, Noah. Cookie making is
You don't know how to use a computer, and now you're using computer to control Spark? No, hold on.
Dad, I'm trying to get this, and then if you press the mode,
Good
it's
night.
go to
Protect the
sleep.
button when
This
you want
one?
to play.
Yeah.
Press it again. Wake him up. Do you know how to mute him?
What's mute on?
Like, so to have him silent?
We're silent.
Like, doesn't talk?
I let him not talk.
Right here. You see that? Move the mouse up there. You know how to move the mouse, dude? Unbelievable. You did. Just one click.
I did. I did one click.
I'm awake. Let's play.
Wait, how do you... I don't know.
Let's play.
Let's not put the voice.
Let's see another one.
Can I do the ABCs?
Okay, ask it.
Can I do the ABCs?
Great, Noah. What fun game should we play next?
Letter
Ready for-
tracing. Letter tracing.
Letter
Ready for
trace.
something? Let's trace letters. Follow the dots with your finger.
No, you're gonna be far.
I am.
Right here.
I could do a circle. You do that.
That's okay. You could draw. I think I should add one to draw, like drawing.
I can add it.
Woohoo, Noah! Drawing sounds like an awesome idea. What colourful picture would you like to create today?
I'm doing a scribble.
Okay, let's change the game.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to play?
I'm gonna play balloon pop.
Balloon pop? Okay.
Okay, Noah.
Spark.
What would you like to draw?
Spark,
I'm super
stop.
excited to see what amazing picture you'll make.
Spark, stop.
Great job tracing, eh?
Spark, can you stop, please? Stop the game.
Amazing! You
All right. Yeah, that sounds very like those videos feels like they're ages, but they're literally last week. But there's a lot changes, guys. A lot of improvement, and we'll get there. All right, still working. We'll wait for a little bit and check it out. All right, I think we are done. Let's check it. Okay.
I'm listening. Tell me what you want to play.
Let's go to the math or
Let's add numbers.
that doesn't star plus star. Okay, I got it.
Wow.
It took me a second, guys. All right, and then
Oh, wow. Wow.
let's put a wrong one right now.
Try again. Yay, Noah, let's do it. What wrong thing do you... Great. Perfect. Great.
He should ask him.
Try again.
Oh, I give okay.
That's okay, Noah. You don't have to think of something right now. What would you like to do instead?
Nothing.
Hi,
5.
friend Noah. Yes.
8.
Oh, wow, Noah. Fire pressure sounds perfect.
When does it end? Oh, your score is 7 out of 8. Your score is 100. Nice.
That's a lot.
Good. Is this enough?
Let's add
Good enough?
numbers. Hey there. Try again. Count them all. Great.
Just
Wow.
want to see if I could.
What are you thinking about trying, Noah? I'm excited to hear your idea.
Nothing. I'm just checking.
Try again. Yay. Amazing. Great. Amazing.
I gotta
Yes.
talk to someone to be. Is this how the best way or the latest
Wow.
methods
Oh,
of
wow. That
teaching the
sounds fun,
numbers?
Noah. Who are you going to
Maybe
talk to?
there's a different way to do it.
Hi, friend. Try again. Let's add numbers.
Restart it. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. So yeah, that's
Hi,
good.
Noah.
Good. All right, guys. This is gonna be for today. So what we did today, a few things. First I shared with you guys the new games. So we got new layout a little bit on the dashboard, and it has a few activities added, which is the numbers and then the sign language, but we're still gonna work better on it. And the sounds language, which is the animals, teaching them the animals. Um, and what else we added to? Yeah, and we actually, even in the parent dashboard, I've been working a little bit on it because I wanted to make sure that it's as smooth as possible. Um, so yeah, if you guys watching this and go to uh, and you didn't add yourself on the
Hello.
waiting list, go to playspark.fun and go ahead and click on join waitlist right here. Um, and your email is going to be safe. This is just for us. The first 100 parents or 100 emails, they're going to get a full lifetime deal for Spark. And basically, they're going to be our beta testers. And, they're going to be, reporting bugs, taking videos, pictures, and then we'll change and build based on that. And based on that information, we'll decide when we're going to open the door for everyone. And hopefully, we'll get more reviews right here from the testers that they're going to test it. And that's it, guys. And my plan is by the end of this week, I want to have a Spark animated, even speaking, and have the sad face and the angry face. Um, those are the major ones. And then tweaking as much as possible that all the activities that we have, I'm not going to add any activities. I'm going to stop myself to add any more activity, but I want to make sure the one that we have are r- completely uh, stream flow, I mean easy, like running flawless basically, and see if it's um with no bugs or anything, because I don't want the last thing we want you don't want any child to get mad if things not working, because we're working with a technology that it could get some bugs here and there. And if it's, if they're not moving, because I saw Noah when he tried to move things, and if it wasn't working, he's gonna be mad, and then he's gonna take, indirectly he's gonna say, oh, I don't want to play this game because it's making me mad. And that's, I don't want this, so I'm gonna be working on that. And thank you for spending the time with me today. And you know how to reach me. And if you're on Twitter or X, please like, share, retweet, and comment, and see how we could spread the word and get more love. Thank you and have a good week.